Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to disable notification in State of Survival game. To disable the notification in State of Survival, you can adjust the settings from your game and on your devices. I'm just going to show you an easy way to adjust it through the game itself. Launch open this State of Survival game on your device and then tap on your profile picture at the top left corner. Now from your Chief profile page, tap on Settings at the bottom. From the Settings menu, click on Notifications. Simply go ahead and toggle off the button right next to the notification setting. For example, if you want to disable notifications about incoming recons, you can switch off the button right next to Recon Alert. You can then choose any other alert you'd like to disable and toggle the switch off right next to each alerts. And after you do that, you will then be able to disable the notification setting. After you have the options turned off, you'll stop receiving notification from the game. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.